Hey my YouTubers, it's your boy Solex, and today I'm going to show you the new ways that I send all my photos to my clients. This method has been widely used by professional photographers around the globe. So in today's video, without further ado, let's get started. All you have to do, you can directly go to your search engine on your Google. For this video I'm using my Chrome, and just type google.drive.com. Your drive is gonna pop up. Already here, my Google account has been logged in, but if you don't have a Google account here, you can go ahead and create your Google account. After that, you're gonna see the add button, and you just add, is it a folder you're gonna send? Folder that should be, of course, much picture that is up to 20 to 30. You can use the folder. Once you are done, come to the top side of that particular folder, or if you are seeing or an image in particular, and what you are going to see is these three dots here. And once you see these three dots, you click it. You're gonna check you're gonna see where they write get link. Copy the link, bam, go to your client, send it to them, like what I'm doing now. You just send it to them and it's all done. If you find this video to be helpful, remember to click the subscribe button or follow so that you learn more tricks on how to improve your photography lifestyle.